Today, our explanation of the latest Bollywood movie of Stree. When you want to watch full movie and download this movie link below on description. At first started the movie we saw that a common belief in the furious woman spirit known as Stree exists in the town of Chanderi. She is reported to stalk the males in the town during a 4-day religious celebration every year, murmuring their names and making them disappear if they turn to face her. Residents write, "Oh woman come tomorrow," in blood on their doorways as a self-defense tactic. Men are also encouraged to move in groups for safety and to refrain from venturing out after 10 p.m. on their own during the festival. This behavior is a social equivalent to the safety precautions that are generally recommended for women. During the yearly puja season, Vicky, a ladies' tailor in Chanderi, meets a fascinating girl known only as Girl with No Name and falls in love with her right away. She asks him to make her a lehenga. But his companion Beetu worries that she might be Stree because of her strange shopping list, which includes things like beef, cognac, datura flowers, white cat hair, lizard tails, and strange goods. After Stree kidnaps Jana, another buddy, this suspicion grows. Vicky becomes suspicious of the girl as well and approaches her, but she disappears once more. Vicky, Beetu, and the local librarian, Rudra, look for a means to keep their buddy Jana alive. In Rudra's library, they find a book called Chanderi Puran that is half damaged and contains information on an old fort as well as Stree's story. Vicky knows the fort from when she went on a date with the girl. To locate Jana, the group goes to the fort, which is thought to be Stree's hideout. After driving Beetu and Rudra away, Stree almost strikes Vicky but stops herself when she sees respect and love in his eyes. The girl's enchantment then repels her. The girl later explains her participation at the festival by saying that she has been attempting to defeat Stree for 3 years after losing someone close to her. This demonstrates that she and Stree are not the same entity. Vicky asks Stree to release Jana that same evening, but Jana starts having violent outbursts occasionally. When a Jana who is under Stree's influence removes the word tomorrow from the protection phrases outside homes and replaces it with "Oh woman come," thereby inviting Stree, more men disappear. In a move to find a long-term solution to save the town, Vicky, Beetu, Rudra, and the girl decide to speak with Shastri, the author of the book. According to Shastri, Stree used to be an incredibly attractive courtesan who was coveted by every man in the community. After a while, she discovered true love and prepared to get married, but on the night of their wedding, envious townspeople killed her husband as well. Ever since, her soul has been searching for her real love and intends to kidnap every male in the community as retaliation. A prophecy concerning a rescuer is mentioned by Shastri, and Vicky seems to be the one. But when he realizes that the savior is actually the son of a courtesan, his buddies confirm this, which infuriates him and causes him to depart in exasperation. Vicky confronts his father while intoxicated, and his mute acknowledgement just makes Vicky's distress worse. Vicky eventually comes to appreciate his father's love and makes the decision to keep the community that has welcomed him. When Vicky realizes that Stree wants nothing more than love and respect, she reconsiders the group's plan to kill her. The girl advises severing Stree's lengthy braid, which gives her strength. Vicky carries it out, and Stree disappears. In the last scene, we saw the girl departs the town the following day. Vicky says goodbye to her without remembering to learn her name. She suggests that she is the witch vying for Stree's power when she blends Stree's braid with her own hair on the bus. When Stree comes to Chanderi the next year, she finds a statue of herself at the town entrance along with a new inscription that reads, "Oh woman, protect us." Because of this act of deference, she decides not to go into the town. Thank you for watching.